Well, for those of you who have asked, here we are in beautiful, sunny Phoenix, Arizona. Right here at the foot of North Mountain. A nice little neighborhood, built in the 1950s. And my house was also rebuilt in the 2000s. So let's go over here. I want to show you what I found. I had this wheel trued. You may remember last week it had a big wobble in it last time. So I'm going to give it a spin and then zoom in on this area here and hopefully be able to show you that the wobble is greatly reduced. Still a little bit. But a whole lot better than it was, and at least nothing rubs anymore. There's no more rubbing inside the fender. So the wheel's back on the bike and I'm getting ready to close it up. I'll do the brakes. I have to bleed the front brakes, bleed the back brakes, because I just got finished rebuilding both master cylinders. The master cylinder on the front is up here. It's rebuilt but not filled yet. The master cylinder on the rear is right here. It's rebuilt but not filled or bled yet. So that's my project for the rest of the day, to fill and bleed these two braking systems. So that should be an interesting afternoon. That's where we are.